to rob a bank. I am on my way to New York Fashion Week, and these are my travel clothes. Okay, I'm gonna show you the whole outfit once I get out the car, but I wanted to check in on my way to New York. So I'm going to New York Fashion Week. I think this is like the middle part of New York Fashion Week. So I'm going to a social mixer influencer event. It's just for the day. I'm not going to be there for the duration of the whole New York Fashion Week, just going for the day. So just taking a trip to New York City for the day. So spend the day with me as I go to the New York Fashion Week Black History Month mixer. Yeah, let's go. So real quick, by the way, 12 p.m. studios. Okay, this is definitely a no makeup type of like shade, glasses, you know, indoor, outdoor. But anyway, I got sidetracked. Quick story time. I was planning to go to New York Fashion Week. I actually was planning to stay for a few days, and I had been like pitching to brands, things like that, with possibly hoping that I would be invited to like shows, events, pop-ups, all of the things. If you know, you know. And if you're an influencer and if a brand is not sending you to like a New York Fashion Week or anything like that, 9 times out of 10 you're financing a lot of the things independent of a brand, right? You paying for it yourself. And that was my main reason why I was like, okay, I'm not gonna go. I didn't get any formal invites yet. I had this one invite, the place that I'm going to today, but I was waiting on others. And of course, if you know New York Fashion Week, sometimes you can get an invite the day before, the day of. It just happens that way. But I just wanted to have at least a solid 2.5 for it to mean something. So the point was for me to go, network, meet brands, meet other influencers, all of the things, just to, you know, lay the groundwork for me for the futures. That's the whole purpose of me going. So yeah, that's that. And I initially had all the accommodations, the hotels, the travel, but as time got closer, I canceled them because I just was like, I didn't want to invest in that level of money if I didn't have anything guaranteed. I just didn't want to be floating all the way around New York, beating the concrete jungle just for the hell of it. No, we're not doing that. We have to have something in place. But then at the last minute, I said, okay, you know what? I'm still going to commit and go to the one event I know that was solid. So that's where I'm going to today. But since I canceled my, since I canceled my travel, I was traveling by Amtrak. You know, rates right now is crazy, like same day. So your girl is getting on the bus, okay? I'm getting on the bus, the Greyhound, the Flixbus, all of that. So I'm traveling from DC. It's gonna be like a 4-hour ride. So it's just a day trip to NYC. It's just taking me back. I used to get the bus to New York all the time. So, you know, I'm just reverting back to the roots, okay? So that's what we're about to do. We're about to get on the bus, spend a good little time on the bus, and we're going to bring it on back home, and I'm taking y'all with me. So, yeah. Let's get it. Let's go. All right. So, like I said, I'm taking the bus. So, I'm at the bus station. Just parked my car. Let me show you my outfit. Let me see if you can see my outfit real quick. Because we're dressing warm. Okay, so this is the outfit for today. I got on my faux fur. This is actually from Zara. Zara scarf. Scarf is old. Sweatsuit, H&M, everything is old. Okay, we just coordinate. We keep the clothes. Okay, we wearing the clothes. Of course, we're going to the concrete jungle, so I want to be warm and comfortable. And I have my clothes with me. This is the bag. Because when I get there, I'm going to try to find like a hotel where I can go have lunch, get dressed, and then go to the event. So, yeah. So let's go. Let's go get on this BUS, honey. Why is the bus empty? I knew I was VIP, but come on now. I didn't know the whole bus was going to be for me. Look, it's empty. Nobody is here. I get to stretch out. Okay, we need to find a charging port because that's important, okay? The phone cannot be doing, or my devices cannot be doing dead while we ride, okay? So I'm gonna get settled in. It's gonna be a 4-hour ride. So yeah, on my way to NYC. On the ride, I mean, all I got is time. I am going to put on some of these Impress press-on nails. If you've been around, you know I'm a press-on nail girly. I don't do the acrylic thing. It doesn't work for my hands. But these are the ones with like the glue, the stick, already on it. You don't need the nail glue. So I'm gonna put these on now while I'm on the bus because I ain't got nothing but time. I didn't get a chance to get my nails done. I've been trying to give my nails a break. My nail beds are just so sensitive to everything, so I normally don't even wear anything on them. So, but I figured, I mean, for the occasion, why not? Okay, I just touched down the city. Now I'm on my quest to find something to eat. I've not eaten since this morning. I don't know where. I'm near the, what is it? The bus station was like near Madison Square Garden, so semi-familiar. But I'm about to try to find somewhere to cop a squat, eat, and just do what I need to do for later. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. To the Moxie Hotel in Chelsea. There's a bar restaurant situation here. Probably gonna grab something to eat, find one of these people's bathrooms, and get myself together. The event for later, it doesn't start until 6. It's like 3:45. It's 3:45 now. It doesn't start until 6. Oh, my nails. She cute. Cool. No, but not for a long time. I don't know how long these are gonna last, but nonetheless, they are on. So yeah, the event is at 6. It's 3:45. So I just took a walk. Look, I'm breathing a little hard. I just finished walking, but anyway. Sit at the bar, probably order some food I have not eaten, so I won't be starving at this event. They are supposed to have like light bites and drinks and all of that, but still, I want to have something of substance. As a matter of fact, I should have stopped at the Walgreens. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Eat, find a bathroom, cop a squat so I can change. And then we're gonna transform because right now I'm on my DJI camera and I almost forgot how to use it. So it's like I'm trying to get the angles right. Yeah. So bear with me. If this is janky, I'm asking for apologies in advance because I gotta get into it. But yeah. Alright. So abort mission. That hotel had a shared unisex bathroom. That wasn't gonna work. So I'm gonna find another hotel that I can go in, get something to eat, and get dressed. Because I just got a reminder about the event. It's like a 2-hour countdown. So, and I want to get there early because of course they're gonna have gift bags and all of the stuff. I don't want to miss everything. I don't want to miss anything. So, but yeah, about to go find another hotel to cop a squat in, and wish me luck. Okay, I'm gonna talk fast because it's music in the background. So I found me another hotel. It's real cute and quaint. Actually in the restaurant, I'm about to order something to eat. And then there's only one bathroom. But since it's empty, I found a corner and I'm just gonna do my makeup in the corner and get dressed when it's time to go. So that's the plan. I'll check back when I'm ready to leave and possibly take some pictures or something. I don't know, but we'll see. Okay, I found a single bathroom that I can get dressed in. I'm actually at a hotel. I did my makeup in the dark. Like, oh my God, the struggle is real, but it's okay, right? It's okay. So I'm about to get dressed. I already ordered my food, so let me get dressed. This one. And I'm gonna show you my full look. I'm gonna try to get some pictures. I don't know, we'll see, but yeah. I had luck with the bathroom, yay! Okay, so halfway dressed. I have to put my earrings and stuff on. I'm gonna do that at the table while I'm eating. I'm waiting for my food. But yeah, this is actually the Hanifa Sia sweater set. I have not worn this yet. And I was like, it's cold in New York. This is the perfect time to wear it. So that's what we are wearing. I have my black Mason Margiela dupes. I have the Steve Madden tabby boots. Really comfortable to wear in, and my what handbag did I bring? My Chanel vanity case to go with that. So yeah, final look is coming out. Although it was kind of walking distance, I was not gonna risk walking. I didn't want to get overheated, all of that stuff. So in the Uber, I'm on my way. So. Yes. Okay.
Sorry. He's just gonna get the first.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, perfect.
If you want to check in your bag or coat for now, coat check is gonna be the first door to the left.
Okay, first door to the left. Thank you.
I know get time, I did that. say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to another way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. You may tell me what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gal, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gal, ride the whip, I know feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go. All the Bentley, the gal, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing.